My name is Eduardo Castro Riaño. I'm from Colombia. In my community, I found beautiful artwork. Cool, colorful lion is contemporary or art on made by and con artists. I found similar artwork in Google Art and Culture. It is called the tiger and was created by Frank Mar in 1912. By artwork, I simply because the chosen animal is bright and expressive color, represent extreme exposure, and express strong emotion, shooting color and form. Anxiety is our an important because they connect local and global culture. They show how the symbol can have different meaning in different connecting. Thank you.